If you're having trouble accessing your Xbox account and can't receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access without needing those codes. Step 1. Visit the Xbox Account Recovery page. Go to the official Xbox Account Recovery page on your web browser. This page is specifically designed to help users recover their accounts. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Xbox account. Make sure it is the correct one to ensure you receive any necessary follow-up instructions. Step 3. Select I don't have access to these. When prompted for verification codes, choose the option that indicates you don't have access to the verification methods listed. This will guide you to alternative recovery options. Step 4. Answer security questions. You may be asked to answer security questions that you set up when creating your account. Provide the correct answers to verify your identity. Step 5. Follow additional instructions. After answering the security questions, follow any additional instructions provided. This may include providing information about recent account activity or confirming your identity through other means. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive further instructions on how to regain access to your Xbox account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for additional assistance.